Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the LG US95T Soundbar, one of LG's premium Dolby Atmos soundbars for 2025. Let's check out what's inside the box and get our first impressions. Alright, let's take a look at the packaging. The front highlights some key features: Dolby Atmos DTS and wireless rear speakers included. We also have LG's Wow Orchestra, which works with compatible LG TVs for enhanced sound. Don't know if you have seen, we've got the LG G4 85-inch in the back, which I'll be pairing it with. If you want to see the video, give this video a like. Let's open this and see what's inside. Inside, we're immediately greeted by a well-organised layout. Everything is securely packed with cardboard and protective wrapping. What I'll do is I'll just get everything out and then I'll give you a close-up of each part. Okay, with everything out the box, let's take a closer look. First we have the main unit still wrapped in its cardboard sleeve. Next are two rear speakers, neatly wrapped for protection. And finally, the subwoofer, also carefully wrapped. LG has done a great job with the packaging here. Let's give this a cut and open the rear speakers. Here's the front, very clean design with a fabric grille covering the drivers. This will help blend in with most setups while still delivering great audio. Up top you'll notice there's a speaker driver. This is likely for height effects, helping with Dolby Atmos immersion by bouncing sound off the ceiling. And at the bottom we've got the power input and what looks like a mounting screw hole, so you should be able to place these on stands or wall mount them for a more flexible setup. Now we've seen what a rear speaker looks like, let's look at the subwoofer. Let's just cut this off. And here's the wireless subwoofer. It's a solid size with a clean design. It measures 201.7mm in width, 407mm in height and 403mm in depth, with a weight of 10 kg. LG subwoofers tend to deliver deep bass, so we'll see how this one performs in the full review. Now let's unveil the main soundbar unit. The LG US95T measures 1250mm in width, 63mm in height and 135mm in depth, weighing approximately 5.65 kg. With the protective cover removed, we can appreciate the sleek design. The centre section houses the up-firing centre channel speaker, a unique feature that enhances dialogue, clarity and height effects, contributing to a more immersive audio experience. Let's take a quick look at the back. We have a HDMI in, HDMI eARC for TV, a USB slot and an optical input. Let's look inside this accessory box. Inside we start with some documentation. And on top there's a HDMI cable, followed by the user guide and manual for setup instructions. Included is a paper template for wall mounting and making installation easier. Moving on, we have the batteries for the remote. Along with the power adapters, there are 4 in total. 2 for the rear speakers, 1 for the subwoofer and 1 for the soundbar. Then we find the wall mount brackets. There should be 4 of these also, 2 for the rear speakers and 2 for the soundbar. So you have the option to mount them neatly on the wall. Let me open them up and show you what they look like. And finally we have the remote control, which lets you adjust volume, sound modes and other settings with ease. And that's it. That's everything inside the box. I'll be testing the audio quality, Dolby Atmos effects and overall performance in my full review, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Also, do you want to see a video on the LG G4 85-inch in action? Drop comments below if you have any questions and let me know what you think of the LG US95T Soundbar. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.